Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're reviewing the 2-in-1 motorbike ride. So here, this is the green and red arrows. And the music sing-along where you can play music. Let's turn it on and see what happens.
Red means stop, yellow means slow, and green means we can go.
Right. You can sing along with the
Hold on
motorbike.
tight. Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, let's play some music.
Green. Keep going. Red. Slow down.
Let's try the music sing along. This is a very long song. I think this is for the sing along. This is a very long song. This is a very beautiful music. This is a very long song. I love it.
Green. Keep going.
This is a very long song.
Red. Red. Red.
This is a very long song. I don't know if this was a beautiful music. This is a beautiful music, but it is a long song. I think this is a very, very long song. That's a very, very long song.
Keep going.
This is a beautiful music, but actually this is a very long song. This is my favorite one. I love this song. I played this before.
Can you press the red arrow? Green. Keep going.
This is also a very long song. If I love it, I know it is a long song. So, this is our VTech 2-in-1 motorbike. My friend likes to play it and love it.
Driving
Hope
around
you like
is
my
fun.
video. Bye
Are
bye.
you ready to go?